Hi, I try to read at least one nonfiction book, adult nonfiction book, a month. And this month I did finish Fuzz by Mary Roach, When Nature Breaks the Law. Um, I think she's my new favorite nonfiction author. I just recently heard in another real book lover person that I read that footnotes inside books, and they were talking fiction books, but this nonfiction book has footnotes, and he calls them "I digress" footnotes. Now, I don't think anyone exhibits that I've read so far exhibits "I digress" footnotes like Mary Roach does. They're funny. They're informative. The whole story is her perspective of doing this research and some of her descriptions of the people she sees, the birds she sees, just her own personal gut reactions. I found myself learning a lot, and I used several of these chapters that were in this book for lectures in class. I learned a lot about myths that I grew up thinking. Cricket chirps equal how hot it is. Not true. Raw rice will explode birds' stomachs. Again, not true. And something about jaywalking, but I don't know what page that is. Okay. Anyway, she'll start the footnote on a serious matter, talking about something that is in the text, and then she'll digress. And like I said, I don't think I've laughed so much at a nonfiction book in a long time. So again, if you haven't read Fuzz by Mary Roach or any of her other books, I would give them a try, because I'm definitely going to read more of her books because she is an entertaining and very informative author.